Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to sign out of Tonkeeper. Logging out of your Tonkeeper is crucial for securing your information, especially when using shared devices. So let's get started on how to sign out of Tonkeeper. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. At the very bottom of the settings menu, you can see the sign out option. Tap on it. Before you proceed with signing out, it's important to ensure that you have a backup copy of your recovery phrase. If you already have secured this, tap the checkbox to confirm. Once you have confirmed your backup, tap on the sign out option. This will log you out of your Tonkeeper app on your device. And this is how you can sign out of Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.